Yep, that's what it looks like, and there's no saving that. And that is why we are replacing the front end. So let's get started on this guy here. Fender busted, got a used one, new one here. The other one was perished. This door we're not gonna fix yet. Either we're gonna fix it or replace it in the future, but right now it's fine. We just wanna get this done. And then the bumper here, because a friend of mine hit a deer and it's busted. This thing we'll have to replace, but I just want to paint the bumper, which is now over here. So it's just the plastic. All the other stuff that I can save, I gotta take off of the other one and put onto here. Paint it, prep it, and then see like all of this stuff here. Yeah. First things first on the relax. This won't be perfect at first. First of all, because of the door. Obviously, I want to have it down straight to here and the top, and then the door we'll have to see what we can do. Because it got hit here. I don't know how much of it got bent, like the whole thing. This is annoying. I didn't know the blinker was broken, so I could have just taken the one from the parts car, and now I didn't. But I know where to get it. Should be easy anyway. Just that cable we have to kind of pop out somehow. Reaching it might be annoying. I'll just keep it out like this, and then we can tape it. Wait, not even filming. I'll just keep it out like this, and then we can plug it in later and then put that thing in there. Bruh. So this would sit like this. It's bolted on here. Sits nicely here, and then here. And then I gotta tighten it here, 2 bolts here, and then one on the bottom to make it sit right. Do it. Almost forgot this here. So nice out, and we have March. So what I'm gonna do, I decided while I put that thing together, I should probably, or before I put that together, I love when it doesn't film. So while I put that on, I might as well prep this, wet sand it, because it's primed, and then paint this thing, and then it's dry, and then we can put that on when that's done. Honestly, I think that, I got that wrong. I don't think this is primer. I think this is just literally brand new plastic. So not even primer, so I'm gonna have to go get primer first. The sun is shining, I'm not used to filming in the sun anymore. Throwing a little coat of primer on there, and then some paint. Taped off what I don't want white. Like the original bumper had it the same way. And then we're good. As per usual, by painting, my camera was off. I'm still learning. I'm that cameraman. She's all white now. Now I'm just letting it sit a little bit, and then I'm gonna clear coat it. I'm pretty happy so far. Most of the time it looks good here, and then when you put it on the car, you're like, ah, here and here and here and here, and you know, but we're not gonna think about that. Looks good. Yeah. Drying beautifully. Yep, I'm liking it. Time to get the jack up and running. Only issue is I need fuel money. This is how insecure I am. I'm driving with tools in my car. And also I got a merch store in the making. Some of you guys might say it's a little bit too early, but I have the awesome, how do you call it? Advantage. My brother, he makes websites for a living. Would be awesome if you guys check him out too, right here. So that's gonna be up pretty soon. Never too early for something like that. Also, support is necessary. Would definitely help me. Maybe then I can afford a car lift and not struggle so much in life. I'm just kidding. But that'd be awesome. Yeah, definitely check him out. And he's a pretty cool guy, pretty kind of good looking, and does anything, because 20 bucks is 20 bucks. Bruh. And shoot him up and he will be glad to help you. Guys, I got a weird stalker. My first follower, first subscriber, and my most serious subscriber. You would think this is a car to get easy parts for. It's not. Like, this is impossible almost to find. So we're gonna save this piece, and to the left also need this. This we're gonna have to buy new. This has a little crack here, but I'm gonna see if I can fix it from the back, and if this just comes back into position. And then the back, I gotta unscrew this piece here. Literally just unscrew everything and put it onto the other car bumper. Yeah, it's gonna be exciting. Little car project, but it's fun doing these car fixes. Not like, I'm tired of electrical issues and all that kind of stuff. I like swapping parts. It's a lot more fun. Bring me your damaged cars. Scared of it dropping. Perfect, you can just let it hang in there. Mitsubishi. Yeah, you can tell too. It's a lot wider than that. That's a lot creamier. But also, I mean, it's dirty. Give it a good clean and then go from there. Because we did order the paint from the code, like what the car code has. Paint code from the car, so from the VIN number. Never perfect. And that's a wrap. That chrome in the bottom and the black part here, we'll put in once we get it. It's not here yet. She's back. Yeah, it's super fun to do. Definitely hit the like button and the notification button. Hello?
Please.
Your name is?
Jose.
What are you doing to the car? I found a stranger. He just spawned right there. Came here.
Together.
Yep. He's putting in the chrome pieces that we're missing. And we're gonna adjust the fitment now, because the fitment from the hood to the bumper wasn't so nice. He also brought this and putting in the foam piece. And then we also found out that the brakes are busted. I never checked them out before. Yeah, look at all this. Wait. They're gone. That's it for this video. Peace out.